Hey everybody, Skailar Hage from the BA Insight product marketing team here. I'm really excited to be back and speak for the third part in our new series. Today we're going to dive into how to prepare for AI success, a few steps to get your data ready for AI enablement. So let's jump into it. Our agenda today is super straightforward. We're going to dive into preparation, augmentation, and enrichment. Second, we'll get into the bold question nobody wants to answer, is your data clean? And then after that, we will touch on tooling for AI success. And then finally, I will talk a bit about AutoClassifier and some of the things that we have going on with data preparation. And so we start here with paralyzing statistics of sorts. At this point, it's no secret. Enterprises are struggling to get AI out of the experimentation phase and into some working production capacity. While Gartner says 30% of AI projects are failing, other industry leaders like Everest Group Research, they talk about up to 90% failing at times. It's really important to acknowledge that regardless what the number is, there's a major issue contributing to enterprises not getting the value of what they want out of AI. Enterprises are spending millions of dollars to get this up and running off the ground, and they aren't seeing a great return on investment, or at least, not what they hope to see. A lot of them are outright failing and abandoning these projects in a lot of cases. And when asked, why they're abandoning these projects, the most cited reason is failure to, bring their data up to speed, or, poor data quality is the biggest reason. And many leaders have realized that, issues in their AI outcomes have taken root, within their data. Either it's old, it's not clean, it's not classified, or it's, just not in a good enough state to be ingested by AI and, provide those targeted outcomes that those enterprises are trying to achieve. And so going full force into an AI project without a strategic plan in place is costing enterprises way more, than the productivity gains that AI can possibly bring. For these projects to succeed, the data needs to be assessed and prepared in a way for AI to understand and be used purposefully. Preparation techniques like augmentation and enrichment are becoming vital to the way that enterprises go around about these projects. Enrichment, especially, when we talk about adding metadata to our enterprise knowledge, it ensures a much more reliable and contextualized outcome for the end user that is using AI. Improved data means more accuracy, better consistency, enhanced model performance, productivity efficiencies, and even faster time to value. Preparation techniques like augmentation and enrichment, they're paving the way for success of AI. But, it's also up to leadership to be able to manage their information in a way that wasn't previously available. So, seeing your data tagged, enriched, and classified in an orderly way is a benefit in itself, right? And it gives the business a whole new way to look at data management, not only just when we're talking about, AI projects, but technology projects in general. And so AI, it requires clean, structured, and context-rich data to be highly impactful. It comes back to the saying, a lot of these data analytics, data management folks talk about and have been using for years, garbage in, garbage out, right? And it's no different with AI. We're seeing this in real time. And so the question becomes, is our data clean, right? Is it orderly? Is it classified? Is it tagged? Is it enriched in some type of way? If not, we need to identify, how can we get to a starting place so that our AI outcomes are what we expect it to be and what we expect, the impact of it to be as well. And so, question, do you plan on manually augmenting, classifying, or enriching information? Do you have tools to do this? What strategy does your organization have in place to prepare for AI success? That's the big question, of the day, of the week, maybe, of the year with these AI projects. And so, here comes the hard sell, right? All jokes aside, if your organization does go down the route of tooling to ensure data is prepared for AI, it's great to keep in mind the success that we've had with our AutoClassifier tool in preparing data for AI. And so, brief history on AutoClassifier, it was created as an enrichment tool for enterprise knowledge, really allowing your data to be, automatically organized, classified, hence the name AutoClassifier, tagged, enriched for better findability across the entire enterprise. This allows businesses to ditch the manual tagging process that took hours and hours and hours, and is really translated effortlessly into preparing data for generative AI projects. And so the core principle of AutoClassifier is to create superior metadata for AI enablement. This goes through multiple chunks. Tagging allows your organization to be super clear and purposeful with each bit of information that you feed into your AI engine. Now as more and more enterprises are looking to enable generative AI successfully, our customers have really turned to AutoClassifier as a tool to get the most out of their data and prepare it effectively for AI ingestion. And what we've found through our customers is that, when your information is tagged, it's enriched, it's classified in a way for AI to easily understand, you get much more contextualized outcomes, and ultimately you get a higher return on your investment within your AI project. We've saved countless, Gen AI projects with AutoClassifier's enrichment abilities. And so, BA Insight and AutoClassifier, we're doing our part in negating the poor data quality reason for Gen AI projects failing. Look through here. And so from a 1,000-foot view, let's review some of the benefits mentioned of really going out of your way to prepare enterprise data for AI. So return on investment is really what you want to hang your head on here, right? Without ROI, it's nothing. So we've all gone headfirst into these AI projects, and everyone has expected the world, right? And now that the hype is over and we've experimented a bit, we're kind of entering the trough of disillusionment. It's time to get strategic and ensure that, the co-pilots, the Vertex AIs, or the Bedrock investments are at its maximum value for your organization. And this starts with adequate data preparation. And the rest of these benefits really fall under, the umbrella of increasing ROI, right? So better user experiences and outcomes with AI really increase the stickiness of the product as well. Rolling out a solution that is highly contextualized and specialized for that individual user really gives them a sense of being intentful while using the tool. More stickiness to the AI solution you've rolled out means more usage, which means higher productivity, so on and so forth. So, better AI outcomes overall is definitely a benefit here. You also get better relevancy of finding that critical information to use AI. With search being our heritage here at BA Insight, it's vital that accurate and relevant search queries are still, highly important to these solutions. When information is being tagged, enriched, and classified accordingly, finding information to leverage for, XYZ AI use case will never be easier, right? And so, finally, you get the benefit of data management. When your information is organized, the sky is the limit, not only for, these Gen AI projects that enterprises are investing into, but any data project, right? It's much, much easier to manage your data moving forward, and having your enterprise information enriched and classified is a plus within itself, right? Everyone's trying to get there. And so a big thank you to everyone who has tuned in today to learn a little bit more about AutoClassifier, AI enablement, and data preparation for AI success. Please visit us at bainsight.com. Until next time, we'll see everybody soon. Thank you.